So hello guys, in this video we're going to see how we can use the lens protocol in order to develop and decentralized social media application using the lens protocol. Of course it uses an social graph. So most of the applications which we use nowadays is centralized, and it also uses the social graph. For example, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok. Okay, it goes on. So uh, there are few uses when it comes to centralized social medias. So your data is owned by an organizations, so they can monetize what you have to see. So but this is going to be completely different because you have your ownership. Okay, your data is with you, you own the data. And then also here the protocol is same. Okay, over the protocols we have multiple application being built. Okay, so that's all about it. We will go we will go to okay, in upcoming videos we will speak more about it, but today I'm going to show how we can fetch uh, the popular profiles from the lens protocol using the API. Okay, so let's get into the video. So here I'm using next JS framework for the React. So inside the next framework we are going to work on this index.js as well as this api.js. So here we are creating a query. Okay, in our case we are going to create a query for recommended profiles, which is going to return all the popular profiles that are available in the lens protocol. And after creating this query, okay, we have to create an instance for this create client, which we are extracting from urql module. Okay, we're going to create a new instance for this create client by passing the api url. So this api is available in the official documentations of our website, of the lens protocol website. So go check it out. If possible I will keep you in the link. It is well documented. If you have any doubt you can go and refer it. And then let's move on to here. Make sure to note that we are using the export, so this file should be imported somewhere, right? That's nothing but index.js. So here you can see we are importing the two hooks, popular hooks, which is use state as well as use effect from the React. And we are also importing the client and the recommended profiles from the API, where we have declared here. When you come to the api.js, here you can see the client is nothing but the instance of the create client. And then also here you can see the recommended profiles which we have defined in the API. So we are importing it from the API. After that, inside this home function we are defining the use effect hook. So inside that we are calling and fetch profiles, which is an asynchronous functions. Inside these functions we use the try catch blocks in order to avoid the error handling. And then we are handling the error. So if some kind of error comes, we are going to print it out. So if that's not the case, we are going to extract or the fetch. By passing the query we are fetching the data. Okay, so what we are doing is it's an await, so it should wait for getting the output client dot query, so which is nothing but the instance. The query is the functions. We are passing the API, which we are defined in the api.javascript file, get to promise. So we're just printing this responses. So let's see what's going to be the output. Let's save this one, and it has been running in our local system. So let's click here. Okay, nothing is going to be printed because we're just logging it. Let's copy this and go to the Brave and paste it. Go to inspect console. So I save this once again. Here you can see you're getting the datas. These datas are nothing but the popular profiles that are available in the lens protocols. So in the next video we will try to print all the things in the UI. Okay, so that it will be easy to look into it. So that's it for today. I think this is much more interesting, and also I personally believe that this is going to be the future, and every social media is going to be built over it. Not exactly lens protocol, this kind of protocol will come. um, who knows, maybe a better protocol can come in the future, but this is how it works. We're creating a client, create client using the urql module and passing the API URL, and also we are creating a query. We are importing it into the index.js, and inside the index.js we are creating an asynchronous functions inside that. By using the instance, we are calling in query functions and passing the query. Okay, and we are printing it just like that. We have done it. So hope so this video is really interesting. I have spent the whole day in order to in order to understand this lens protocol. Hope so it makes sense. So if you really understand, or else if you feel like this video is really informative, make sure to give it thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and make sure to check my other videos related to blockchain, decentralized applications, solidity, etc. So see you on the next video. Until then, this is Balamurugan signing off. Bye bye.